Praise the Lord. Welcome to AIM. Guys, we are here. We are leaving our house. We're going into Accra. It is Sunday morning. My husband's doing a lot better. We thank God. Frida is here with us. Looking beautiful. Nana is here. We are delivering eggs today, guys, and cassava from the 50-acre farm. So we're going to our sister's house. And she is selling it for us. So we're going there. They have a church there, so we're going to their church. It's very exciting because the church has really grown since I went there first. When I first came in 2018, I went there, and it's really, really grown. So we are blessed to be able to go there. We didn't have anybody. It was kind of last minute when we harvested the cassava, so we didn't have anybody ready to buy it. But she will always sell the things for us. She has a store, so yeah. So here is what the road construction is looking like, guys. We're back. We are back. Yep. They're doing a lot. This wall is all the way up now. So you see, that's the place we would be riding on. Yep, they're really getting that wall up there. They've gotten, a lot of this part done. They're not on schedule to what they said they would do. But, I still see a lot of progress. I'm thinking that usually when we give you this update, we don't see a lot more workers because it is Sunday, right? Oh, and today would be July 21st, 2024. There's what it'll look like when it's finished, the Lord willing. You can check out like I always say, you can pause the video and look at the picture there. Yep. So that's what it'll look like, the Lord willing, when it's all finished. Oh, they've gotten this wall. Okay, you see they've clearly marked it now. So we're going this way. And we thank God. We did have some rain. Did have some rain again. So you see it will be going up, and then this is descending down back to road level. So you go up so that there's the circle there, or however they're going to do it. I think it's a circle. There is our landmark, red, black, and yellow house. Yep. Got a lot of filling materials over here ready. So they actually have road closed sign right there, which is nice. And an arrow pointing to the way you're supposed to go. So that is quite nice. I'm sure signs don't cost too much, and it really helps the flow of traffic, in my opinion. This will be the access road. So they've been turning the lights off, not for a super long period of time, but for some period of time. So I'm guessing maybe they were switching the wires over or something. That's what somebody said anyway. So I'm not sure if that's really why. But the lights have been, the electricity has been pretty consistent. There's a culvert that they've done. It's been pretty consistent until recently. They started turning them off again. So I'm guessing there is the new electric poles. So we still have the wires here, but I think somebody was saying that we're switching some. So you see how they're doing this part? Yep. So you see this is a gutter, so the road, they'll have to bring it up. So the purpose of that is so the water flows in there. So they'll have to bring it up. Guys, it's going to be super nice when it's done. There is the China Mall. For those of you who might be new, China Mall has a lot of things that would remind me of Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, Dollar General, those types of stores. So not really high quality, but you know, somewhat cheap. In case you were wondering. So they got some work going on here. Yep, they got the work going on there. Someone's taking a break. That, I don't know what that thing is, but it almost looks like a paver, doesn't it? I don't know, guys. Tell me in the comments. I don't know road construction equipment, but they do have the equipment here, the roller and everything. Looks like they brought in some new ones, so maybe what my husband was saying got through. They need more equipment and more people. Yep. So we can see here, this section, the wires are on the old pole, but right over next to it, they're on the new pole. So maybe they were switching them over. We were thinking too they might be putting new wire, because that's what it looked like. They were adding new wire. Or maybe they're just replacing some sections that weren't good. There's the overhead walkway, so they're working on the other side of it here. Nice. Some are just hanging out. Some are working. Got some work going on here for the wall. So this will be the access road, and that will be the main road. So if this is your first time seeing a road construction update, we are on our way from where we are on the outskirts of Accra, going into Accra. Right? We're passing through Amasaman. Okay, we're going from, let's say, from Insawam to Amasaman. We're going that way. So they're over there. They have some of the forms up where they'll pour the cement to form the wall. Better. Not where it needs to be, of course, but it seems a little bit better, doesn't it? Here. Yeah. So we're actually going like probably 15 instead of 5. So that's a big improvement. Might not sound like much. It's still slow, but it's faster. then 5. Okay, guys, so here we are at this market that we always see. See, they're doing, I guess we'll be riding up there too. So they got a lot of work to do. They got a long way to go still. But, yep, they're getting the pillars up there. They got the crane over there, whatever they're doing with that. So at least we have some more pillars constructed. This is the market. This is Amasaman, where we are now, guys. And there is the market. But yeah, they got the scaffolding up. Looks like they're getting ready, maybe, unless they've already poured the cement up there. So this is the Rural Bank in Amasaman. You see the market. I like how they've blocked off the way there with those cement things. Yep. Makes it a bit safer. Oh, I don't know that I've seen that streetlight pole. Have you?
This one?
Yeah.
It's always there.
Oh, it's always there, guys. Guess I haven't been looking. But maybe they'll fix the lights and get them working and everything once they finish up the road. So there's a junction you can turn to go to Amasaman. Got some recycling going on here. There was a little culvert they made last time. The market is going on, lots of plantain. Yep, we're gonna have plantain ready very soon from our 50-acre farm. I saw some when I was walking out there. So that is where the main road will be. So they still have to build it up. They're working on it. You see the electrical lines are on the new poles now. See? This is the old poles, so they'll have to take those out, I guess. I don't know what the line is on the top. If they're gonna move that over or what. There's a total filling station, Amasaman. Yep. Traffic's moving along pretty good. There's the gutter. So you see the road will come up at least to the gutter, right? Because the water's got to flow into the gutter from the road. So, yep. They got a lot of filling to do. Thank you guys for riding with us today. There's a Fidelity Bank. Yep, they have Fidelity here. Here's some of it. So they've really been working over here. It'd be nice when we can ride in this spot. It's looking nice. Although this side is better. A lot better than it was. So you see how that is, guys. They've been just putting the forms up and pouring the cement for each section here. We have the overhead walkway in full effect. People are using it. The banisters are up. Yep. It seems like they haven't finished the ramp part yet, but the stairs are available. So they're still working on the ramp. But at least for now, they've gotten the stairs. You're going to get your cardio workout. Yep. So because they're building the walls up, I guess they had to make sure they finished that so people can still cross to the other side. They have to have access to be able to cross over. I pray everybody is doing well. Guys, I haven't asked, but how about letting me know in the comments where you are watching me from? Where are you watching this video? Where are you in the big world? Where are you guys? Let me know in the comments. It would be interesting. You know where I am and where we are. So where are you guys watching from? So it's looking nice in there, actually. You see, they still have to build it up because the water is not going to go out those holes, right? So they still have more work to do in the middle. But it's looking nice so far. They have a nice solid foundation there to be able to lay their cement or whatever they call it here. I don't know what they call it. If they call it blacktop or cement or what. Yep. So the access road will be quite nice. Everybody can come here if you have to access any of this. There's the Steve Ruth driving school. Yep. You ride on this road to get to anything you want on the sides. Looks like they still have to move some of the lines over in this section. The power lines, they're not using the new pole yet. And don't really know what that thing is for. Okay, they have another clear sign, guys. Look at that. So the U-turn to go to Amasaman, if you're coming out of that side road over there, this is North Pokwasi. If you're coming out of that road, you have to come up here 300 meters and do a U-turn. And last time I saw, they had a clear sign that showed where to take a U-turn. So that's a big improvement. The signage, it would have been nice to have that from the beginning, but they're actually adding signs. So we appreciate it more, I guess, because we didn't have signs for a while. And now there's signs, so it's very helpful. Okay, it looks like they're still constructing some of those electrical poles, the new ones. You see, it's not all the way together yet. Neither is that one over there. They have some equipment here. People are still using it in there, and they're not supposed to. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. There's a clear sign right there about the U-turn. Guys, sorry about the drizzle, but I know it might be a little hard for you to see now because it's raining. Yep, that's what we got. So yeah, you see, they're still constructing those electrical poles. We'll show you the sign if you guys can see it. I don't really want to zoom because it's harder to see. So you guys can catch those signs. You can stop it and see where we're at. So this will be the Pokwasi Interchange. There's the overhead walkway. Yep. So we are going to Adenta. So we will be going a different way than we normally go. So we are coming up here this time. I'll take you guys for a little bit, but that's pretty much the end of the road construction update. There's Quabinya. So this is the Pokwasi Interchange. Let you guys see how it is. See, they have street lights. I mean, they did it really nice when they did it. They have some greenery.
Oh my God, so good.
Yep. So that's what we got, guys. So I think we're gonna leave you there. That is the end of the road construction update, and we'll try to get you some on the way back, the Lord willing. But until next time, God bless you.